From squirrels to frogs, many animals can take to the air to one degree or another. Did you know that as well as birds, bats, and insects, the world is full of other flying animals? Here are just a few. Our first stop takes us to the verdant forests of Japan, home to the Izo flying squirrel. They have a special membrane of skin called a patagium, which stretches from their wrists to their ankles, acting like a parachute. Remaining in the enchanting forests of Japan, we encountered the Japanese dwarf flying squirrel. This tiny creature, measuring a mere 6 to 8 inches in length, is one of the smallest mammals capable of gliding. Our next stop brings us face to face with the giant flying squirrel, the largest of the Japanese flying squirrels. Its size allows it to undertake longer glides, soaring through the air with impressive grace. Leaving Japan behind, we ventured to the eucalyptus forests of eastern Australia, home to the feathertail glider. Despite its diminutive size, the feathertail glider is a skilled glider capable of covering distances of up to 25 meters in a single glide. Unlike other gliding mammals, the feathertail glider's tail is flattened and fringed with stiff hairs resembling a feather. Our Australian adventure continues as we encounter the southern greater glider, a large marsupial known for its impressive size and gliding skills. This nocturnal creature, measuring up to 45 centimeters in length, is one of the largest gliding mammals in the world. Its gliding membrane, or patagium, is particularly extensive, stretching from its elbows to its ankles. Next we meet the sugar glider, another fascinating gliding marsupial native to Australia. These small nocturnal creatures are named for their love of sweet foods such as nectar, sap and fruit. They use this membrane to glide effortlessly between trees, covering distances of up to 50 meters in a single glide. Our journey takes us to the Philippines, where we encounter the Philippine flying lemur. Despite its name, this intriguing creature is more closely related to colugos, also known as flying lemurs. We continue our exploration of gliding mammals in Southeast Asia with the Sunda flying lemur. These nocturnal creatures are remarkably adapted to their arboreal lifestyle, possessing an extensive patagium that allows them to glide effortlessly through the rainforest canopy. Leaving the world of gliding mammals behind, we venture into the realm of amphibians to meet Wallace's flying frog. This arboreal frog possesses enlarged webbing between its toes, which acts like a parachute, allowing it to glide between trees. Our final destination takes us to the open ocean, where we encounter flying fish, a remarkable group of marine animals capable of taking to the air. These fish don't possess wings in the traditional sense, but have evolved enlarged pectoral fins that act like wings, allowing them to glide above the water's surface. An ability to take to the air isn't limited to warm-blooded animals, though. There are hundreds of species of flying frog, for instance. Even some marine animals can take to the air, presumably to flee predators. From gliding mammals to flying frogs and fish, the ability to take to the air has evolved independently numerous times, showcasing the power of natural selection in shaping life on Earth.